Hey guys, this is Fishy Gadgets. This is a phone S26 Ultra, violet color. Just came for display replacement. So you can see there's damage on the top area, and the display has a line right here. Everything else looks good, but everything else have no issue, but the display is damaged. So we're gonna change the display. Samsung is pretty much on the same platform. You gotta remove the back cover, heating up a little bit, warming up on the heat pad, removing it, and then rest of the procedure is pretty much similar to what S24, S25 Ultra and all that. Okay, so I'm going to start working on that right now. First and foremost, I'm going to put it on a heat pad, and then we'll go from there. So we're going to remove the back glass. So slowly, gradually, we're going to just remove the back glass. I always like to use the alcohol. That makes the life easy, and see here, it goes like pretty quick. Like with alcohol, it does help to make the glue softer, and it comes out very, very easily. There you go, came out. Beautiful. The rest of it is all the same Samsung, typical Samsung platform. Okay, just open up all the screws, expose the battery, remove the battery, and then just change the complete screen. So what we have is a complete screen assembly, same color. Okay, original Samsung. That is what you're going to install. Okay, thanks for watching. Again, Samsung is pretty standard design, so it's much easier to work on a Samsung phone. See, this comes out, the wireless charging module, undo the battery, which is here, unplug the battery, wireless Wi-Fi cable, remove that. See here, basically 1, 2, 3, 4 cables, 4 connectors. You can remove that. So I think what Samsung does it, they have, I guess it's the same thing, like just like the S24, S25, the same setting, no difference. This came out, this came out, this came out. Okay. Pretty much all the screw sizes are same, so if they get mixed up, no issue. Okay, so these are also done. There's another flex cable, which is the top speaker, ear speaker, that comes out. This is the motherboard connector, camera, undo that. Take out the stylus. Let me remove the SIM tray, because SIM tray is usually in the charging port in Samsung. Remove that here, so we can remove the charging port. Charging port came out. The speaker has to come out. Speaker, we'll put some alcohol on the down here, so that's make the speaker softer. Speaker came out. What else is I think there's two screws which is holding the camera, all the cameras. This screw is a black color. I don't know why they use a black screw, even though the size is same. Maybe just for distinguishing it. Yeah, here came out pretty nice. Okay, this is something new. I think they have used some thermal paste just to make it cool. This is something new. We haven't seen it before on the other models. So there's a thermal paste they introduce here under the motherboard, so that can be helpful to cool it down. Okay, removing the camera. Okay, usually they use the kind of like a paste here, so that hold it tight, the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna so this is I'm gonna take out the camera, and then we will remove the battery from here. So removing this camera part was pretty darn difficult, because they had a glue around the camera. Just make sure that you have to dig up that kind of like a plastic glue from both sides, and then it comes out. Otherwise it's very, very hard. If you pull it without removing that glue, then you're gonna damage the camera. Okay, very, very important part. See, this is the type of substance which is filled up around the camera. Okay, so now we're going to remove the battery and then change to the other display. Okay. Battery removing is slightly different on this one as well, so the battery comes out very easily. See here, like that. Okay, battery came out pretty good, and nothing else we need from here now. Okay, everything is moved. We're gonna change it to the new display right now. See, this battery has a 2 connector. Okay, so that's another thing new that has a 2 connectors, one here and one here on the same battery. Okay, so put back the screws. There is a small black piece of paper which is to prevent dust to enter, that we have to remove it. That came out. Now we're gonna put the motherboard back in its position. Motherboard went like charm. Okay, just reverse the whole procedure. Camera, connect, okay, top is speaker, connected, close the screws back. Sorry, I made a mistake. I have to remove that and put the buzzer first. This is a pretty standard design for Samsung, which is good for, you know, the repeat repair. Okay. This one need to open up again because this is the main connector, need to go inside the the speaker module. So I'm going to remove that and put it back. So this one has to come down first. All the screws are same, so I don't have to worry about which screw is going where. Okay. Disconnected. I'm going to connect the battery at the last. Okay, seems all connected. The final pieces are the battery connections. And these 5 screws are for the bottom area. Okay, last screw. Let us power it up. Okay, started. Beautiful. That's been successfully done. Here it is, S26 Ultra. I hope you enjoy and share this video with other friends. And if you need to repair anything, please remember Future Gadgets Richmond Hill, and check our channel and subscribe to it. Check our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our TikTok, and subscribe to it. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.